Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to revise our chapter number 1 and 2 of book Honeydew. So, chapter number 1 is the best Christmas present. Sahaj, what is the name of main characters in this chapter?
मैम कौन सा चैप्टर मैम दोबारा बोलना
The
मैम
first chapter, the best Christmas present in the world. Name the characters in this chapter.
मैम माइकल मैम मोर्फुल्गो
Sorry,
मैम माइकल मोर्फुल्गो
Sahaj,
हाँ जी
which character are you speaking?
मैम जो मैम ऑथर था मैम जिसने मैम लिखी मैम वो भी मैम था मैम जो
Yes, okay.
मैम और एक मैम थी
It means you have not done your
कोनी
homework.
मैम कोनी मैम मैंने मैम
What
इट्स
is
सो
the full name? What is the full name of Connie? It means you have not revised your work, which was given to you.
मैम मैंने इट्स सो हैपेंड के लिए थे
I specifically told that it will be honeydew. We will not discuss poems. Only the 2 chapters will be discussed. Was it told to you?
मैम सॉरी मैम गलती से मैम बोल
Anji Jay Gupta.
Yes.
Jim McPherson, Connie McPherson, Ma'am Hans Wolf.
Right. Mr. Jim McPherson, Connie McPherson, Hans Wolf, and one was, what is the name of the author? अभी सहज ने बताया. Michael Morpurgo, right? Because he himself is involved, he's narrating the story, he himself is the character in the story, right? So who is Jim McPherson? Who is Jim McPherson? Hanji Nivi. You're not audible, bete. Nivi, you're not audible. Okay, Arush, you tell, beta.
Then Captain Jim McPherson was one of the main characters of the story, and he was the captain of the British Army.
He was the captain of the British Army, right answer. And who was the captain of German Army? Yes, Sia. Who was the captain of German Army?
Ma'am, Hans Wolf.
Mr. Hans Wolf was the captain of the German Army. Right answer. Okay. So which day did they celebrate together? Yes, Manjot Singh.
Christmas Day.
They celebrate Christmas. Okay. What are German soldiers called, named as in the chapter? Yes, Mahib.
Ma'am, Fritz.
Yes, they are named as Fritz. Okay, Nishtha, how are British soldiers referred to in this chapter? Nishtha, Jannat.
British soldiers are referred as Tommy in the chapter.
As Tommy's right answer. Okay. And where was Connie living when the author went to meet him? Where was Connie living when the author went to meet him? Devanshi. No. Tarun. Hanji bete. Tarun.
Burlington House.
Burlington House. Diksha,
Yes.
Diksha, is it the right answer? Diksha, Kaushal. Unmute yourself. You are able to get me very clearly.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you able to get me?
Yes, ma'am.
So whatever Tarun spoke, is it correct? Was Connie
Yes,
living
ma'am.
at Burlington House?
Yes, ma'am.
Mahip, is it the right answer?
मैम एक तरह से कह सकते हैं yes she was living in the nursing home at Burlington House but earlier she was living at house number 12 Cooper Beaches Bridport Dorset.
Right.
Ma'am, but currently she was living at the Burlington House.
Yes, my question was when the author went to meet her, she was there, right? Okay. So, on which day the author went to meet Mrs. Macpherson? Jashandeep.
Ma'am, 26th December.
Which day was that? Did he go to meet Mrs. Macpherson on 26th December?
Yes. Next day Christmas.
Next day Christmas? Or it was on the same day?
Next day to Christmas. Next day.
Nishka, was it the next day?
Yes.
So why are you so doubtful?
मैम मेरे को आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही मैम साउंड क्लियर नहीं आ रही
Acha ji, right. So, okay. How did Connie behave when she saw the author? How did Connie behave when she saw the author? Priyanshi, bataiye beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
As she saw Jim in front of him, she was totally surprised by watching the author. She told the author that Jim, you are back.
Yes, you can say that she treated the author as Jim Macpherson. She thought that her husband, Jim Macpherson, had fulfilled his promise and he had come back to meet her. Right? Okay, now moving to the next chapter, that is the tsunami. Okay, who was Sanjeev? Who was Sanjeev? Noor, bataiye beta.
Sanjeev was a policeman who was serving the Nicobar group of islands. Uh, he somehow managed to save himself, but he heard the uh, voice of cook's wife, so he jumped into the water to save him, and they both were swept away.
And they both were swept away. Okay.
Swept away.
Right answer. Okay. How did Tilly manage to save herself? How did Tilly manage to save herself?
मैम
Let me ask
Ma'am.
Arush.
Ma'am, Tilly observed that the shore and the strange behavior of the sea, and then she recollected the information and she remembered that her geography teacher had shown her a video of tsunami and the sea was behaving in a similar manner. Therefore, by recollecting that information, she was able to save her life as well others.
So, if we have to share Tilly's award with someone, who would that person be? Abhinandan.
Ma'am, what question? Please repeat.
If
Ma'am, आवाज नहीं आई sir.
right, if Tilly had to share her award with someone, with whom would she share her award?
She would share her award with her teacher and his parents, her parents, because the teacher had teached him correctly, and her parents listened to her and reacted on.
They took Tilly seriously and they followed her instructions. And Abhinandan, it is not teached, it is taught. Right? Teached is not the form of verb, it is taught. Okay. Harjeet, was Ignatius aware that it was tsunami?
Ma'am, no.
How do you know it?
Ma'am, because when he woke up in the morning, he realized that earthquake is there, so he put off his TV from the table, so it would not broke. Then he realized that tsunami was there.
Then he realized that it was tsunami. Was he able to save his family, Harshdeep? Harshdeep, was Ignatius able to save his family?
Yes, he was able to save her family.
The whole family?
Yes.
No, you are wrong. Arshdeep, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Anji bete. Was he able to save his whole family? But if you don't know the answer, then let me know that you don't know, so that I can ask some other student.
I don't know.
Okay, you don't know. It means you have not revised. Okay. Ashley,
No, he was not able to save his family's life.
how many members could he save?
Could he save himself and the 3 children who was with him?
Who were with him? Okay. Who was swept away in the tsunami?
His wife was swept away.
Only his wife?
And his 2 children held his mother's father's and mother's brother's hand and ran to opposite direction in confusion, and they were never seen again.
Okay, right answer. So now I am going to paste a Google form of these 2 chapters, revision of these 2 chapters. Fill that form and let me know the answers. Right?